Welcome back to my morning report charts prices on Tuesday the 16th of February with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tech Markets. Let's have a look at cable. And we've just had the UK inflation data out, and basically it came in line with expectations on the headline data. The core data was a very slight miss, down to 1.2%, off from 1.4% last month, but the expectation is 1.3%. So that's just put the brakes on a little bit of a sterling rebound that we had seen as the dollar had sort of sunk a little bit today. But the outlook on this range that we're seeing here is fairly neutral, isn't it? Pretty much neutral. I sort of continue to believe that trading below 44.50 towards 43.50. I think that puts you in a more neutral mindset, and we're sort of bounced off 44 figure actually today, and we're sort of back above 44.50 again. That is a pivot line. I'm still thinking that is a pivot line. Old resistance, new support, resistance, support, resistance. So I think it is a pivot line that we need to be focusing on. And yes, we've just had a minor rebound this morning as the dollar weakened, coming off the top a little bit after that that UK inflation data, which could put the brakes on a little bit on this recovery. Now you've got the resistance that comes in at 45.35. I mean, this is all very, very near term stuff. 45.75 being more important. 45.75 has pretty much capped the gains for the past sort of week or so. So it is a very tight market at the moment on cable, and no real direction we're finding. So moves back towards 43.50 and bought into, and then up towards 45.75 is sold into. So you're not really getting any real direction at the moment, and that is reflective in these momentum indicators pretty much sort of plateauing off, aren't they? So we're still waiting for the next catalyst. You could still argue that they're sort of on the daily chart trading above that 21-day moving average, positive. Also that above the 23.6% fib level is a positive. But the truth is, you're pretty much range bound between these two fib levels, aren't you? 23.6 towards 38.2. You're not really getting any real direction, and I think we're still waiting for this next catalyst. So when will that be? Depends. Could be the Fed minutes tomorrow. It's possible. But you've also got US inflation data at the end of this week as well, so perhaps we're sort of settling in for the near term. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.